guys, it's Anarchy, and I'm here totally wigless, which means it's time for another wig review. I asked you guys what videos you were looking forward to me filming the most, and a lot of you wanted more wig reviews, so here we are. I have 2 wig reviews actually planned. This is the first one. The second one, a company reached out to me and sent me a wig. I've never heard of them before, but I'm going to be reviewing them whenever that wig arrives. I don't know when. I think it's shipping from like China, so God knows when it'll get here. But today I'm reviewing a wig from a small business I followed on Instagram for quite a while, but I've never actually bought anything from them. They're called The Bundle Rack. I think it's just one girl who makes these really cute custom wigs. They look great. And most of them are synthetic, which I think is really cool because I actually feel kind of weird about wearing human hair a lot of the time. Like, I know when I was a kid I used to think it was like zombie hair and I thought it was really freaky, but nowadays I've just been like, look, I just want to be able to color hair, so I don't care anymore. But anyway, moving on. So it's this super cute dreadlock unit. She usually does like mostly like straight units, and I really like this dreadlock one though. I saw it on her Instagram and I thought it was super cute. It's handmade. It has a little crochet cap and a closure at the top, and it even has its own baby hairs. So for once, I will have baby hairs because I normally can't do those. So I'm gonna pop it on with the lace on and let's see how it looks. I think my head is slightly too big for this. Okay, I can't see front. Okay, so she's super cute. I super love this. I have not been able to successfully make like a realistic looking dreadlock wig ever, so I was super hyped about this, and it actually looks really good. It's the cap's a little small for me, or something's going on with the cap. But it's a custom unit that she just made, and it was her first trial run at making like a dreadlock wig, and I just reached out to her and said, can I have it, because I want it, and so she sent it to me. I paid for it, but like, she sent it to me and I super love it. Not a huge fan of this though. I know a lot of people like wearing their like dreadlock wigs like this, but I don't like it, so I'm gonna change it into like a ponytail, and I'm gonna cut the lace, and I will be right back.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, so I adjusted it, so as you can see, I kind of just look like a black Fran Drescher. I look like a black Nanny Fine. Quick things I want to say about it because I actually have to go, so I'll come back on afterwards and give like a full review, especially since I'm going to be wearing it out. I think she actually made it so that it would stay in that top knot. Like, she designed it to be in that top knot because the top seems a little whack, but I think I can make it work. And I think it's just a matter of miscommunication because I asked her if it can be taken down and she said yes, it can be restyled any way I wanted, but she did a lot of things that made it so that it had to be in that top knot. Like, she added bits of hair and so it's hard to explain. But like, it was meant to be in that top knot, so when I took it down, it's almost like when you take down a Bratz doll's ponytail and you just see hair. It wasn't like that, but it was like there were things done to make that top knot work. So I'm gonna go, I'll come back and let you guys know what I think of it. And I'm also gonna add some lock jewelry throughout the day, so I'll let you know how that goes too. So yeah, BRB.
Several days later.
Hey guys, so you might notice that I look completely different, and that's because I did something massively stupid, and I recorded my final thoughts about this wig, and then I didn't have time to upload the video and edit it at that moment, so I just went on with my merry day, and at some point I deleted the footage from that one moment. So here I am now, like 2 days later. Well, actually, this is good because I've had 2 days wearing this wig. I've been wearing this wig for 2 days. It's held up pretty well, although the problem is these like random strands of real hair. I love them, but like they're kind of hard to deal with in addition to dreads, because dreads you can just kind of throw everywhere and it won't matter, but the real hair you can't do that too. But I've gotten a lot of compliments on it from like a lot of people. I didn't get to finish putting in every little gold piece I had because I thought I had more of them, but I didn't. And I didn't want to put a bunch of hangy ones, so I'm gonna have to wait until I completely have this wig exactly the way I want it. So yeah, but that's all personal stuff. Just the performance of the wig is amazing. I posted it on Instagram and you guys loved it way more than I thought you would. So many of you were like, where's the wig from? And then you did find out where it was from. I mean, I tagged it, but so many of you were asking. They were like, give us the link, give us the link. And then you all look for it and you're like, it's sold out. Where is it? Like, so many of you were on my neck trying to figure out where I got this wig. But yeah, the girl's like responding to a lot of you guys in the comments. So yeah, it's from the Bundle Rack on Instagram. I think that's also the website, but I just went to at the bundle rack. I don't know why I started following her, but I did, and then she posted this wig and I was like, I need that in my life right now. So yeah, I wish, like I said, like the whole bun thing is kind of unfortunate, but honestly I would have just kept it in the bun if I'd known it was going to be such a problem. I didn't mind the bun that much. I just thought I could take it down, and I did, but there's like she clearly meant for this to be in a bun. Like, just, I know my anatomy of wigs like this. This was supposed to be a bun. But the fact that it looks okay without it being in a bun is both a testament to my ability to recreate wigs and her ability to make a wig. So bravo, girl. I love this wig. And yeah, those are my final thoughts. So yeah, like I said, I'll put the exact link to this wig down below, but go ahead and check out the bundle rack if you want to get it. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this wig review. There will be another one coming like in a couple of weeks. I just got a post notification saying that the wig I'm supposed to review that's getting sent to me just landed in the United States. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, be sure to leave a like. Be sure to leave a comment and let me know what you think of this wig and what your thoughts are in general. What do you think of my makeup? What do you think of my... This is a top, I promise. I know in some angles it looks like I'm naked, but I'm not. Just let me know what you're thinking today. Positive comments or constructive criticism, please. No hate. We don't tolerate hate in this house. Anyway, subscribe if you aren't already, because I want subscribers to validate my own self-worth. And yeah, I think that's about it. Be sure to follow me on social media so you can keep up with me. On Twitter is where I post updates and I'm more informal. And on Instagram is where I'm a tailored mess with no real theme to our Instagram. And it's also where I tag all my products, so if you're ever wondering where I'm getting something, check out my Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!